Okay, everybody, this was it. After 23 daily videos, this is the final one, and I don't have any content for you in this video. I just wanted to tell you, this was an insane time for me. I will probably never do this again. This was completely ridiculous, but also an interesting experiment. I recorded this video already a couple of days ahead of the last video, so I can't tell you all the videos that I've done. But make sure to check out the Haxember playlist with all the videos that I've released during this time. I think we got a good mix of technical videos and also casual videos. If you have a warped perception that I only did like casual videos or so, please check out the whole playlist, because then the recommendations just recommended to you the other ones. But mainly I used this opportunity to cover a couple of basic topics and pitfalls and issues that people had and told me about throughout the years. And I think it's an awesome addition for the binary exploitation playlist. You also know that I stopped the weekly regular uploads, so there will be now just sporadic LiveOverflow episodes. And during this time, we also had one regular LiveOverflow episode. So even for the people that complain about the casual style of the other videos, there was still one regular video for you, which was perfectly in schedule like always. So don't you get annoyed, you were served as well. But anyway, nobody can tell me anything anyway, because I do this just for fun. If you don't like something, just unsubscribe. I couldn't care less. While the videos were a lot more casual and longer than they should have been, because when I create scripts and record and edit them properly, they would be a lot shorter. I do think I was able to cover a lot more interesting topics, and I think maybe it lightens up things. You know, in the end, there's this balance of I don't have time to make all the videos versus lowering quality to provide more content. It's difficult to find this balance, and this was a very interesting experiment for me, and I don't know yet what kind of conclusions I draw with it. I will look at the analytics in like a month or so, and I'm sure I will update you early next year in 2020. But I can kind of guess I will maybe once in a while do a casual video like this, because it's so fast for me to produce them compared to a regular episode that I can, for example, react to news or look over a new vulnerability that was released or so. Like, these kind of style of videos might be easier to do. But of course, my big dedication will always be the edited and scripted videos with a deeply technical topic, like the iOS exploit video that we did this month, or just any like CTF video write-up or so. This year was pretty insane for me for the workload, but also, as you know, the big chapter in my life closed, my master thesis, so I'm ready for next year. Let's see what next year brings. I think I will take it a bit more slower next year. But I don't know yet. I don't make any promises, because I will not be able to keep them anyway. I will do whatever I want to do next year. But I hope this advent calendar of 24 videos in December, this very spontaneous and I guess maybe stupid idea from me, was fun to you. I got a lot more positive comments than I usually get. People being happy about these consistent uploads, but it's not something I will keep doing. This is absolutely ridiculous. Also, I covered most of those things that were bothering me that I always wanted to cover, so you know, I have now basically a clean slate. There are a lot of thoughts in my head right now. I definitely want to do CTF stuff next year. I hope I get to stream again, continue building the 8-bit computer over here. It's still not finished, so I want to get maybe back into that. I'm also thinking about maybe making a course or so. Maybe I also just become an Instagram influencer at this point. I don't know yet. Long story short, I don't know yet, and I will not make any promises for next year. I think it's bad to promise anything or announce any projects that you haven't finished yet. So be surprised what happens next year. I'm sure I will update you for when I know anything more concrete next year. I just wanted to ramble in this last video because it was insane making these episodes, and I need an easy Joker card now to just get this 24th video done. And so I can say I completed it and I didn't fail. Also, don't get any wrong impressions. I don't care about Christmas at all. It just happened to match the time and everybody was doing like advent calendar stuff that I kind of felt like, well, that's here a reason to do that too. If you celebrate Christmas or celebrate something else or celebrate nothing, I still hope you have a great couple of weeks and relaxing times. Maybe you can use some of the free time to learn with some of my videos. Who knows? Play some CTFs. So I hope you enjoyed this. See you soon.